If someone is attractive and charming, you are more likely to assume they are intelligent and hard-working even if they are not. Known as the halo effect, it's a theory that our generalized judgments of people can bleed over into the more specific judgments we make about them. Studies show that even though we understand the halo effect intellectually, it's almost impossible for us to recognize when it's actually happening. Airplane tires leave between 1 to 1.5 pounds of rubber on the runway when they land. Dogecoin has been around since late 2013. Originally a satirical homage to Bitcoin, Dogecoin was not designed for any investment purpose. This is the flag of the Sons of Liberty, the group responsible for the Boston Tea Party. The four white and five red stripes are a reference to the 45th pamphlet by English writer John Wilkes, who sympathized with the colonists. The flag's design inspired the eventual flag of the United States. A 2018 Harvard study revealed that 90% of employees are willing to give up 23% of their lifetime earnings for a more meaningful job. Did you know? Tattoo artist Scott Campbell gave out free tattoos for 4 days at an art gallery, but he got to choose the design, and his subjects couldn't see it until he was finished. The project, called Whole Glory, required participants to stick their arm through a hole and hope for the best. After 32 years living alone on an island, Italian man Mauro Morandi, 81, is getting the boot. Morandi moved onto the tiny island of Budeli in 1989 and looks after the island and their famous pink beaches and talks to tourists. Authorities want to turn the island into an environmental education site. I woke up and my right foot was stuck in the radiator and there was water pouring out of it. My desk was pinned against my stomach and a girl's head was on my left shoulder. Survivor Jeff Edwards. Did you know? Sir David Attenborough, the British broadcaster and nature historian extraordinaire, is the only person to ever win BAFTA awards for programs that have aired in black and white, color, HD, 3D, and VR. The award winner turns 95 this year. Kangaroo rats can go their entire lives without a single drink of water found in the drier regions of the western U.S. These rodents get all the moisture they need from the seeds they eat. In 2008, a man altered an old story he had written to resemble Kung Fu Panda, then sued DreamWorks for $12 million. After the court found out he was lying, he was sentenced to 2 years in prison. Augustus, the first Roman emperor, made key innovations in taxation. He removed all middlemen from tax collection and instituted an inheritance tax. The rarest blood type is named Saras. Only two families in the world have it, and officially recognized as an entirely new blood group. Michael Jordan's first choice of sponsorship was Adidas, and he nearly got the deal before getting vetoed by Adidas German executives who thought the 6'6" player was too short. With nowhere to go, he ended up at Nike. Snails take the longest naps. They can sleep up to 3 years. Rome had some serious struggles when trying to build their subway line. Construction crews just couldn't stop unearthing significant archaeological discoveries. Construction of the Metro C line exposed Hadrian's Athenaeum, two 000-year-old military barracks, a 3rd century building, and thousands of other artifacts. John F. Kennedy showed up at the church on his wedding day looking a little different than usual. His face was badly scratched. Adidas bought the iconic three-stripe design from Finnish sportswear company Karhu for 2 bottles of whiskey equivalent of 1600 euros. What a passion he has for justice and honesty. Our king's heart is not set upon gold or jewels or mines of ore, but upon virtue, reputation, and eternal renown. a few days ago when he said that he longed to be a more accomplished scholar. I remarked, "We do not expect this of you." The Arabia was a steamboat that sunk in the Missouri River in 1856. Over time, the river shifted 800 meters to the east, eventually turning the site of the sinking into a field. The steamboat remained under 45 feet of slit and topsoil until 1988, when it was excavated. The mud, as it turned out, was such a great preserver that most of the artifacts on board were found to be intact. They even found jars of preserved apples that were still edible. These days, we think of sunglasses as a fashion accessory, but they served a very different purpose when they were first worn by judges in Chinese courtrooms nearly 800 years ago. A 71-year-old man named Joao Pereira de Souza cared for and nursed a beached penguin back to health, and now the bird consistently travels to 000 plus miles every few months to revisit his caregiver. The chocolate river that runs through Willy Wonka's chocolate room is one of the film's most recognizable creations, but you wouldn't want to drink from it. The crew filled the river with 150,000 gallons of water mixed with chocolate powder and real cream. But after sitting under the hot lights for a few days, the cream curdled and the whole thing began to smell. This is the Laikoi. Due to a genetic mutation in a domestic short-haired cat, the Laikoi has no hair around its eyes, nose, ears and muzzle, giving it a werewolf-like appearance. Women wearing plastic face protectors for the snow. In Montreal 1939. 1 in 100, 000 lobsters are cotton candy blue. A man in Italy has been accused of skipping out on work for 15 years. The man allegedly stopped showing up to his job at the Siacchio Hospital in 2005 but continued to collect his full salary, an amount more than $647,000 USD. The man faces charges of fraud, extortion, and abuse of office. The greatest weight loss ever was by Khalid bin Mohsin Shari, who went from 610 kilograms, 1,340 pounds, in 2013 down to 68 kilograms, 150 pounds, in 2017. He also holds the record for the highest BMI ever at 204. Did you know? The scientists who first discovered the platypus thought it was fake. Although indigenous Aboriginal people already knew of the creature, European scientists assumed an egg-laying, duck-billed, beaver-tailed, otter-footed, venomous mammal had to be an elaborate hoax. Henri Ladru was a French serial killer who routinely courted and then murdered widows in Paris throughout the early 1900s. His severed head is on display at the Museum of Death in Hollywood.